Hi guys, here we are at Gobowen Station Level Crossing in Shropshire with Calais. Bang. Bang. There we go. Time is 9:41 on Monday the 10th of August 2015, and this is from 9:43, 1 Whiskey 90, 1 Orange 21 steps from County Central to Holyhead. This should be a 175. 158 is more unlikely. That's in from Birmingham normally. This may well be only one video here. Yep, it is a 175. Please don't be one. 175, 107 today. I don't think I've seen it yet. Oh, how long it's been since I've had hurdles. Normally the only stuff I see is 153s or 172s and blah blah blah. Anyways, here we have our old Stephmore signal. I don't think I might not be catching the other train, but I do want to get to where I'm going. Anyway, here go the doors. With 175 you can say call them express. So here comes 175, 107 for Holyhead. From County Central to Holyhead, and off it goes. Thanks guys, see you next video.